Hey guys, Timothy Thomas here. Hey guys, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Hope all is well and that you have had a great weekend. I want to appreciate all of you that came on the call on this past Saturday. It was amazing. Super excited about the call. And we passed out some golden nuggets. Jennifer Wall was there. So if you want to find out about that, guys, you can go to my YouTube channel and see what Jennifer said about the path forward. Just incredible information. So we're excited about that. Again, guys, hope you're having a great day. Hey, guys, getting ready to go into a video. Hey, but before I go into the video, guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hey, guys, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it. This channel is about information and making your life better, getting big ticket commissions, guys, winning every day. And that's what we want you to do. We want you to win every day. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. And so when I upload videos, you'll get the updates. And we'll go from there. It seems like I've been so busy, guys. I'm going to upload. I got a proof video, guys. I've got something very exciting to share. This is the package Scott sent me. Scott, if you're looking at the video, big shout out to Scott H. And want to give Scott a shout out. He's on the team. And we're excited to have him on the team. So I'm going to open that up in just a minute. Seems like, guys, the last couple of days, I know yesterday was a holiday. We celebrated, a lot of people that celebrated Martin Luther King holiday. And it seems like today, guys, I've been on the go. I went to Staples, post office, went to dry cleaning, had a bunch of things going on. Just extremely busy today. And this little guy here today, guys, this thing here, this little cell phone has been like, it's been busy all day, you know. It's just craziness. So, but really excited. And I want to appreciate all of you that are taking action. Big shout out to Jose and several of you, Jose, Mr. Fox, and several of you just taking action in these flyers. You're getting them into the mail. And we really appreciate that. Jose sent me an email today, said some things that he had going on. So very excited about that. Mr. Fox sent an proof video or picture of what he's got going on. Guys, let me see if I can show this to y'all. Okay. Y'all can see that, guys. These are the mail. This is some of the mail that Mr. Fox is sending out. I mean, he's got colorful envelopes, guys. Just going to be the right time, guys, to get these things in the mail. Tax season is upon us. People are going to look to put money to work, guys, and we want to put a valuable offer in front of them. And when you leave with value, move yourself out the way, leave with value, guys, it can be exciting. What did I tell you, guys? This thing here, this little guy here has been going off, on and off all day. Hang on for a second, guys. Yeah, guys, like I said, the phone's just like been all day long. So, but nevertheless, it's good. It's good for business. So we're excited about that. Hey, guys, just excited that we're able to get together in this video. Hey, guys, make sure you hit the like button, guys. That's a rule for these videos. Hit the like button. I really need your help with that. It helps with the ranking of the videos. I would really appreciate if you hit the like button. If you hear something you like. Even there was some person always hit the dislike button, guys. Any click you do on these videos helps out with the ranking of the videos. Comment below, send a comment. You know, if you like mail order, comment below, guys, what you like about it. You know, if you want me to review another product or whatever, send a comment below the video. We'll go from there. We're gonna review this $500 cash and money order machine flyer. I want to review that, the $200 level. And, all right, there's Airmail Infinity Income. There's a friend of ours. And we're going to talk about the $1,000 flyer. I've got to move pretty quickly because I got a conference call for the Millionaire Mailer right now, like in 10 minutes. So I got to get quick. All right, guys, Scott sent me this in the mail. Let's go into the package. I'm going to open it live on video, live. Let's open this package. All right. Scott's got it pretty wrapped up here. All right, rip that off. There you go. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, very, very cool. guys, I tell you what, every day is like Christmas. It's like Christmas, guys, with the with these programs. All right. All right. Scott joined us, and Scott is one of those people that took advantage of the program and got in, made a commitment to get in, and he is coming in to, he's got his flyer right here. This is the flyer he sent in. Timothy, everything is here, and I am ready to start mailing ASAP. Scott H. Scott sent stamps in. Got the stamps right here. And off to the races. So, here we go. Look at this, guys. I want you to show you what Scott sent us in the mail. Hold on for a second, guys. I should have had this up. You know, usually, guys, I don't show myself a lot of times because it's so much easier just to show you the proof. All right, guys, I'm going to cover Scott's information. Let's just leave this right here. Go from there. $500 money order, guys. $500 money order came in from Scott H. Sending stamps, guys, and we're off to the races. Folks, it's like Christmas. This could be your new reality. Collecting, can you mail this flyer, guys? This $1,000 flyer, or the $200, or the $500. Guys, we have several levels of participation. We have several levels. I focus on the big ticket because I find it easy, just as easy, guys, to sell the big as the small. But I tell people all the time, you always get in where you fit in, guys. We have a level for everybody. When you join the lesser levels, when you join the higher levels, you're going to get the lesser levels absolutely free. When you come in at the 1,000, you're going to get the 1,000 everything lower. You come in at the 500, you're going to get the 500 everything lower. You come in at the 200, you're going to get the 200 and everything lower, guys. This is absolutely exciting to be able to receive these payments in the mail. Super excited about that, guys. We saved Scott some time, and Scott even our admin payment. We're going to send got our admin payment. So send that to our admin to get Scott off to the races. Very exciting, guys, to be able to mail these money order flyers. Brand new program. Nobody's a part of it. We only have a handful of people. Guys, where could we be 2-3 years down the road in this program to go out to your mailbox every day and receive payments? Guys, not only are you going to, when you come at the higher levels, you're going to get access, guys. Let me show you what you're going to get access to. We have these other flyers, guys. We have a level for everybody. We have the $5. We have a $2 one, $50. I should have had them in order, guys, but we have a $20, the $10, $100. Let me go back through, guys. Again, 100, 10, 20, 50, 5. And let me do it in numerical order for you. We have the $2 level. We have the $5, the $10, $20. We have $50, 100, 200, 500, and 1,000. Something for everybody. Guys, you get in where you fit in. You get in the flyer and you start mailing it, guys. We have proven strategies. We have, you can put them in these airmail envelopes, guys. These colorful envelopes. We can show you where to get them from. And guys, if you're waiting on your airmail envelopes, you don't have to wait. Go to your local Dollar General, local Walmart, and get, guys, look at this. Dollar envelopes. And just put your label on that envelope. Just regular, plain white, number 10 envelope. Regular plain white envelope. And start mailing these flyers out with the stamps that are provided when you make a sale. Guys, so exciting to be able to help change people's lives and to get them up into the right direction. Now, guys, let me tell you one thing that you should be super excited about. We are going into tax time season. Tax time season, guys, is the best time to be a part of mail order. All the way through June of this year, mail order will be booming. Absolutely. Mail order works year round. July, people on vacations. It gets a little soft in July, picks back up August 15th, back to the races. And I'm telling you guys, phenomenal time to cash in on the $100, the $500, the $200, and the $1,000 payments, guys. Now is the time. People are going to be looking to put money to work, and they will effortlessly send you these payments in the mail. And when you find a strategy, you do it over and over and over and over again, you will win. Guys, I'm going to upload a video here in the next, sometime this week, utilizing strategies on how to mail these flyers properly. You know, how to, put them front to back and putting together your mail piece and getting it off to the races. It's so exciting, guys. You are sending out a financial lifeline. Let me talk quickly about the products that's involved in this program, and we're going to close the video out because I've got to get on the conference call for tonight. Okay, when you join, guys, like, for example, you come in at the $1,000 level, you're going to receive $1,000 for books of stamps. And then you're going to send the company $250 and 2 books of stamps. And, guys, you're off to the races. Okay, what you're going to get, guys, you're going to get, your product is going to be, upon confirmation of payment, you will receive a marketing kit. This is your marketing kit. It's going to be a master copy. Your name's going to be a number 1. And, folks, you're going to get 750 pill and stick labels and information on the best mailing list. Same thing with the $500 level. Upon confirmation of payment, you're going to get a welcome kit with a master copy of this flyer, a physical product mailed to your home. Income disclaimer, nothing happens until you take action. A physical copy of this flyer mailed to your home, and you're going to get 500 names on pill and stick labels, plus information on the best mailing list. Guys, can you win? Hit the like button, guys. If you have any questions, guys, effortlessly call that phone number. That's my phone number. Guys, I'll pick up on this phone. We'll talk. Get you a strategy, guys. $500 payments can be your new reality. Guys, one a week. One a week, guys. If you can work for yourself. Folks, you realize that if you can get one of these a week or one every 2 weeks, folks, you could literally sit at the comfort of your home and work for yourself. Folks, that is incredible to me. Multiple streams of income coming to you from every direction. Hey, guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like the video. I really appreciate you. You guys are valued subscribers. Thank you, guys, for helping get my numbers the way they need to be. Super excited, guys, about 2020. We're off to the races. Great things are happening. Folks, we're going to see unlimited payments unlike we've ever seen in our lives with some of these flyers. Guys, I'm telling you what, we've got several programs that we're so excited about. This is in my top 3, and we want you to win. Okay, guys, like the video. Bye for now, guys, until the next video.